Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a website that will pay you daily by performing just tasks. So firstly, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Timothy Emmanuel, but my channel name is Junior Finance Naija. So if you are new in this channel, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. This is my second video. You need to clap for me. This is my second video on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to make money on Nigeria using this website. So let's move to the screen. Okay, this is the website Juma Workers, the online marketing place for workers. Hear from an on-demand scalable workforce or earn money by completing tasks. So this is a website that you go and complete tasks, then you get paid by completing the tasks. How it works, this is how it works. Okay, you will see employer, things you can do as an employer. See the things you can do as an employer. Survey research a student. Empower your business decision with the voice of the workers. Let Juma workers take care of your survey and uncover invaluable insights today. These are things that employers do in this website. See another one, influencer marketing. By working with a micro influencer in a targeted product niche or your local area, you get an affordable way to promote your product and sales. Second thing employers do in this website. So this one is the third thing, web application testing. Give your app or website a final test and get feedback from the worker before you launch it. Let us take care of technicalities while you focus on growing your business. The next one is optimize efficiency. Juma Workers is well suited for simple and repetitive tasks in your workflow that needs to be handled manually. Using Juma Workers to outsource micro tasks ensure that work gets done quickly while filling up time and resources for the company. The next one, 100% control. You have 100% control over who can participate in your company, and you only pay for tasks that meet your satisfaction. These are some jobs employers give to workers in this website. The next one, easy automation. When your company has thousands of positions, reviewing tasks becomes difficult, so we implement an automatic task rating system that can be used by employers to review tasks based on a secret key assigned to everyone. These are some jobs that employers give to workers in this website. So let me show you what workers do in this website. Workers, see what they can do in this website. Making money online has never been easy. You can perform jobs anytime, and there is no limit to the number of jobs you can complete in a day. Payments are made immediately the employer review your tasks. There are tasks like installing and testing app. The second one, complete micro tasks. Answer surveys, promote content on social media, enter data entry, and more. Then if you want to get started in this website, you see get started, just click on get started. So get started, it will bring you to this place. Then fill in your informations, your first name, your surname, your password, confirm your gender and your country and referral code. Then press I agree to Joma worker term and private policy. Then sign up. Just follow all the tasks, complete all the tasks, then you'll be getting cool cash in Nigeria online using your smartphone. So that is it. Have you seen it? The website is very legit. Just try performing the tasks and doing everything that you see there. You'll be making cool cash. You'll be making money in Nigeria. So this is how to be making money in Nigeria, how to make money online using just your smartphone. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Is the main thing I need from you people. Please subscribe to my channel. The only thing I need from you people. Thank you for watching.